Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we're putting a string on a patio umbrella. I know this is not a glamorous project, but we have to get it done. I already removed the canvas. You just have to unscrew the top of the umbrella and it comes right off. Alright, let's get started. Let's remove the cover for the crank. Next, let's remove the crank and the ratchet mechanism. Everything is held in place by one nut and one screw. This should be easy. Make sure you keep everything in order. Time to thread the cord through the pulley. You guessed it, it didn't work. The hinge mechanism is in the way. I'm going to have to remove the post from the umbrella. And of course, the post won't come out because the pulley is in the way. Now I have to remove the pulley. Who didn't see that coming? I drew out the rivets. This thing's never getting put back together. Leave a comment. What do you think? With the shaft removed, let's tear apart this hinge. Wait for it. Pay attention. You know what's going to happen. Did anyone see where the spring went? Leave a comment. I have to find it. Screw it. Let's proceed.
Hey, I found the spring.
Time to thread the string through the rod. Time to assemble the swivel joint. This project might work. Alright, put the shaft back in the umbrella. Did you guys realize I only had to tear apart the swivel joint? I didn't have to remove the pulley or the shaft from the umbrella. Okay, it's time to attach the string to the crank and then assemble the crank mechanism. The assembly will be easy if you kept everything in order. Alright, now let's go to the pulley. We thread the string through and then we pop rivet the pulley in place. These are the hardest pop rivets I've ever used in my life. Sorry for the camera angle. Now we take the string from the pulley and attach it to the umbrella. The white string is the existing string from the umbrella. We can use that. Let's give it a test. Let's see how I did. Hey, it's working. I put the canvas back on and I attached the cover for the crank mechanism. What do you know, it works. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.